Hello, and welcome to the Healthy Life with Kimmy podcast, your go-to source for all things related to healthy living and well-being. I am your host, Kimmy Nunnally, and I'm so thrilled that you are on this journey with me. I am on a journey to a healthier and happier and more vibrant life. Also, please check out my YouTube channel, Healthy Life with Kimmy, where we have discussions, interviews, and practical tips. We also have the free email list so you never miss when I go live. I hope you enjoyed this episode and welcome again where fit is the new it. Hello, and this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Well, hey guys, I wanted to just come to you with an update. I actually attended a in-person WeightWatchers meeting while I was on vacation last week, and it went very well. For those of you who have never attended an in-person meeting, if you are doing WeightWatchers, I highly recommend it. I did do a recent video that WeightWatchers is doing away with some of the locations where they offer in-person. Mostly everything will be going to virtual eventually, probably, but not right now, so don't panic. But it was my first in-person in a minute, 17 years to be exact. And it was actually very nice. The trainers or the coaches, they were so nice. I did opt to weigh in. I didn't want that weigh-in to count. So when you get there, you have the option to weigh in or not. I did weigh in, even though I didn't want it to count for my official weigh-in, which I do on Thursdays. So check out my videos if you have not, about my last 3 at this point of making this video. So the topic was very interesting. People shared their experiences. It was about maybe 30 of us there in the room. It was amazing because there were a lot of lifetimers there. A lifetimer is a person who's reached their target weight. There were people there who had lost over 100 pounds. People there that had changed their lifestyle, where their doctor wanted them to be on 2 or 3 medications. They opted not. They said, I'm going to go lose weight. And they did. They were successful. We talked about recipes together. It was just very nice. I really enjoyed it. So I just wanted to come to you and let you know if you do have an option for a live meeting, because I talked about the virtual in another video. And I love the virtual option too. I really do, because you don't have to get dressed. You ain't got to go on camera for all those different reasons. But it's something about that face-to-face in the trenches together. And the person that conducted our meeting actually mentioned that. She said that part of the reason why she loved WeightWatchers so much is she have a lot of friends that don't have a weight problem. They don't even have one. So they can't really relate to her, you know. I have friends that have always had a struggle with their weight, but we all do different things. So to be in a room with somebody who's actually doing this, like some do keto, some do Play-Doh, or whatever it's called, all these different things. So everybody got their own way of dealing with it. But when you're in a room with somebody with the same thought, the same line of reasoning, the same struggle with you, it just makes a difference. So everybody on the same thing. We knew what the verbiage was alike. We knew what we were talking about, So if you haven't checked out an in-person meeting, I will highly recommend it. I will. It's part of your plan. You're paying for it anyway. You can do the virtual. You can do in-person. Take advantage of every option that's out there to help you on your weight loss journey. So that's all. I just wanted to share that with you. I went with my good friend Tara. We were on vacation again, and she was like, we're going to a meeting. I was like, a meeting on vacation? But it actually turned out to be really nice. The people were so excited to have us there. It was new blood in the room for them. New people would talk about their journey, and we're both very expressive, so we talked about our journeys. And again, I'm going to highly recommend you take advantage of every benefit that WeightWatchers offer, especially you paying for it monthly anyway. You don't have to go every time in person or every week in person, but take advantage at least monthly or so. I really think it will infuse you, give you that extra motivation to continue on your journey. As I say all the time, this thing ain't easy, y'all. This ain't easy. It ain't what I thought it was going to be. Well, I guess it is, but I'm getting there. So check out an in-person meeting. I'm just coming to you in the raw, no nothing. I'm just here. All right, we'll be doing a lot of these kind of videos, because sometimes when we talk about weight and stuff like that, ain't no time to be getting all prettied up. We gotta just have some frank conversation. So until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy, though. Bye. We thank you again for listening to today's episode of Healthy Life with Kimmy's podcast. We invite you also to join us over on our YouTube channel, again, Healthy Life with Kimmy. And don't forget to sign up for free emails where you, again, will receive tips, tricks, and always be notified when we are going live. Well, thank you again, and we wish you much success. Don't forget, fit is the new it.